Okay, so hi everyone, today's makeup tutorial is this monochromatic brown on brown on brown look. Now it is your classic smoky eye at the end of the day, so it's very easy. You just need to take the time with the blending. Just blend and then blend some more and then keep blending until you're done blending. Cool. Great intro. Okay, let's do this. Enjoy. Okay. Alright, so starting with foundation, obviously. Then concealer. And for powder, I'm using this Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder by Maybelline. As always. Okay, cool. For bronzer, I'm using this Estee Lauder, what's it called? Bronze Goddess bronzer. Okay, so I'm starting with a little bit of MAC texture, just in the crease of the eye. Let's see. And then I'm blending whatever's left on the brush underneath the lower lash line. For my lid colours, I'm using a little bit of brown script and brown down. You see, brown script is a mid-tone brown that is quite warm right now, really. So brown down is a much deeper brown and it has a cooler undertone, so I'm just using that in the outer corner of the eyes. And then I'm adding the tiniest bit of Embark, which is a very deep brown with a purpley undertone. I'm using that to line top and bottom lashes. Don't line your lashes. Do you know what I mean? Like, you know. Cool, and finally I'm using this MAC I call, it's an eye pencil, that's what it is, called Costa Riche. Okay, for eyebrows I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade. Okay, so that's it for the eyes. I've done mascara as well. I'm not doing lashes today because I don't feel like it. For highlight I'm using MAC Soft and Gentle pretty much everywhere. And I'm also using it as my brow bone highlight. And as my inner corner highlight. Just a touch, nothing too crazy. For the lips, I'm using MAC Morning Coffee lip liner and Burnt Spice liquid lipstick, just in the center of the lips. And you're done. Bye, too far away. Hello. Anyways.